is I like what you said, it's prayer. This book is mouthful. The reason I didn't even ask a prayer or anything as I was going to prepare, I was like, a 7-year-old saying, my family in the hands of God. That is mouthful. When I spoke to my son yesterday, I've been requested to do this. Tell him, the 23-year-old. And hey, Mama, I would love to see them. 7-year-old, I've written something. Actually, I consider myself as having been a brilliant child growing up, but at 7, I'm not coming. So I want us to all acknowledge that this is not just a book. This is God's word. From God's heart to your ears. The title of the book and the person who had to do the book. A 7-year-old. Because we know that he's 10 now, but we started the same
uhlala elungile wabona into kokuba ingathi uyaphuma endleleni uzame indlela zokuthi umbuyise.
As we heard, Memo was talking that when Kofi wrote the book, he was 7 years old. Yes, it's true. And he did not do this by himself, it was God. And that time he was at Blessed Redeemer School, so he was in my class. I don't have much to say because I don't have much to say, but I just want to say, for Dr. Solomon and Memsuki to have a child who is like this one, who is like a Kofi, it's a gift, it's a talent. It's not very rare to find parents having a child in the house like this child. So they have to thank God. Not just happened, but it was God's grace. So I just want to say another thing about Kofi, that wherever I was before and where I am teaching right now, in 100 kids maybe you find one or you don't even find one child who is like a Kofi. One, Kofi is a humble child. 2, Kofi is a smart child. 3, it was a blessing for me to have a child in my class who is intelligent like Kofi.